Hi everyone, this is Will from Clerk Chat. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up your signature and send it with a message. A signature is very similar to a signature on an email. It's a message at the bottom of the text that can be anything. It can be your name, it can be your company, you can choose. So if I head to settings, I can click on profile and I can set up my signature here. So I can just type in Will at Clerk Chat will be my signature. I can click Save Changes. Great, now my signature is created. Head back to home, and let's say I want to send a message to a client here, and click send. You can see that goes out. But if I want to add my signature, I can type the message and then go across the bottom to the enable disable signature. Click on that and you can see that it will be highlighted, it will be blue, and now when I send this message, my signature will be added to the bottom of the message. You can see that this is still highlighted blue, so this is a toggle button. So once I've enabled the signature, it will be enabled for every message I send from then on. You can see it's added to every single message. If I simply click it again to turn it off, you can see this time there's no signature. This is how you can super simply send messages with your signature added. Thanks.